Friends, you will find many ways to earn money online in this internet world, but we will tell you some of those ways which are simpler and easier to learn, and with their help you can start earning money very quickly. Before knowing them, if you are new to the video, then please like the video and also subscribe the channel. Number 1. Become a lead generator, earning potential $45,000 per year. If you're internet savvy, then working as a lead generator could be a perfect online job. You can contact small local businesses with no online presence and help them establish one. There is a reason sales is one of the highest paid professions. Bringing in new and interested clients is a huge value to local businesses that don't have time to continually find new clientele. Depending on the amount of business you bring in, you can negotiate fees or revenue splits. Essential skills required for this type of online job are fantastic communication via phone and email, interpersonal skills, friendly customer service, negotiation, and persistence. Get started by calling companies you think you can promote and offering your services, or you can check job board sites like Indeed or ZipRecruiter for open lead generation positions. Marketing automation consultant, earning potential $70,000 per year. You could also specialize in marketing automation. Email marketing has become essential for many companies, but it can seem daunting and complicated. Many local businesses or independent professionals also don't have the time to keep up with consistent email marketing for existing clients and new prospects. With a little bit of practice, marketing automation will soon become second nature to you, and you can offer valuable services to companies. For example, I have a friend that specializes in monthly email newsletters within the financial sector. He has a handful of financial advisors and retirement specialists as clients and manages their email lists for them. He sends monthly news updates, relevant financial articles, as well as custom marketing campaigns to all of the clients and prospects on behalf of the advisors. Email marketing has a 4x higher engagement rate compared to social media marketing. Also, on average, email generates $38 for every $1 spent on email marketing. Needless to say, this is a huge advantage for businesses that don't have an automated marketing strategy. Learning the fundamentals of marketing software such as Constant Contact, ConvertKit, or MailChimp will take you a long way. Many of these softwares also offer a free version of their platform, so it won't cost you anything to sign up and get started sending automated emails.